How to schedule an Uber ride. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can schedule an Uber ride in advance. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Uber ride. Tap on the search bar at the top that says tap ride relax. And on next to that, there is an option as later, so tap on later. Here it says pick up later. That will let you schedule a ride in Uber. After that, you have to select from where you want to book and to where. So select your pickup location and your destination as usual. After you do that, it will ask you to choose a time. So select your pickup time and your date. First of all, select the date and then the time. Then also you have to tap on drop off by. Again, select the date and the time. Then tap on next. After that, select the type of ride that you prefer like UberX, Comfort or UberXL. Then tap on reserve UberX, but before that, make sure that you double check your date, time and pickup location. Once done, tap on reserve UberX. Uber will notify whenever the driver is assigned and is on the way. Just remember that scheduling increases your chances of on-time pickup, but it may not be 100% guarantee, especially during peak times. So that's how you can schedule your first Uber ride, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.